Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make peppermint bark cupcakes. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Plus, lots of bonus videos up until Christmas. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Line a muffin pan with cupcake liners and set it aside for now. Then into a large bowl, add in the softened butter and sugar, and cream them with an electric mixer on medium speed for 3 to 5 minutes until they're light and pale. Then add in the eggs one at a time. Make sure they're at room temperature, mixing really well after adding each one. Then add in the vanilla extract and mix it in until it's combined. Then add the flour into a sifter over the bowl and add in the baking powder and sift them into the bowl. Add in the milk and mix them on low speed until they're just combined. You don't want to overmix the batter or the cupcakes will come out with a tough texture instead of a light and soft texture. Then mix it by hand to combine all the ingredients. Again, don't overmix the batter. Scoop the batter evenly into each cupcake cup, adding roughly 3 tablespoons of batter into each one. This doesn't make a lot of batter, so you may not end up with 12 cupcakes. Then bake them in the oven for 15 to 18 minutes until a toothpick inserted into the center of one of them comes out clean. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely. Then you need to make half a batch of my best ever vanilla buttercream frosting. I'll link to that video in the description box. And I'll also put the measurements for half the recipe in the description box. And you also need to substitute peppermint extract for the vanilla extract. Then you also need peppermint bark. I showed how to make this in a previous video, and I'll link to it in the description box. And you need to chop up some of the peppermint bark into small pieces. Once the cupcakes are completely cooled, pipe or spread the frosting on top of them. Sprinkle some of the chopped up peppermint bark on top of them. And finish it off by inserting a piece of peppermint bark into each one. And that's how to make peppermint bark cupcakes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.